Now we start with 1 hour chart. We want to see how we can analyze and whether we can get any trade set up or not. First of all, if we refer to our analysis, when the price was within this move, we mentioned we looking for this down move. The price dropped, but we were expecting the price to break this low. Okay, now we want to see how we can look for this correction. This is the only correction the price can reverse, or this one we can expect one more correction for price to drop. Okay, in this case, we move to forward chart. Forward chart, based on forward chart or analysis, we were thinking that this one turned to a correction for one more drop, whether the price can break this low or not. Because we mentioned the price can break, it can give us a better trade setup. But right now, before that, how about this? Can we consider that this one is a correction in relative to this? Does mean we know we are within this correction? And what we want is we want to put this one in relative to each other, one more drop. That's mean if the price break this low, as long as the price is above this, haven't broke this low, still we can consider this one with the including this correction for one move up at least to break this top. But the only thing is, as we can see, based on lower time frame, the price dropped but couldn't break this low. Okay, now the thing is, can we expect still this is a part of the correction? And that means we can expect the price to break before we get the next move, or this is the only correction and this is the start of the up move. Okay, now I want to see how we can trade it if I move to 1 hour chart. Okay, first of all, based on 1 hour chart, if we want to trade, mostly we can expect the one more correction here. That means if we get any correction here, still we can look for sell, and our target will be to break this low. Okay, because if the price break this low, we will have this internal correction, and any reversal from there we're looking for buy, because we put this one in relative to this, as long as the price haven't broke this low. Because if the price continue and break this low, everything will be different. Okay, that's mean again, any correction, a small correction, or it depends how long we will be within this. Traders, they want to sell, they can look for sell. All right, the only times you can look for buy if you get any sharp move with the flag. That's mean you get any sharp move with the flag. Based on 1 hour of mostly, I think based on 15 minutes can get a better trade setup. We can look for the short term buy at least to test this top. From there, if there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we just take out the trade, because it's still, if we get, as I mentioned, if we get a correction, the price can drop and we can expect to break this low. And this is then from there we're looking for buy. This is what we are looking for if we want to look for buy. But at the same time, still we can expect the price to break this top to finish this move for one more drop. That's why I mentioned if we get any buy setup within this range, we take it. And when the price comes to this top, if we see there is a continuation, we keep. If not, we take out the trade. And how about if this is the only correction and this is the start of the up move? Okay, that's why any buy within this range, if you take, when the price come here, you will find whether there is a continuation, we keep, and if they break out of this, then we confirm this is the only correction. And if we want to use entry above the top, in case the price sharply move from here without giving us a correction, the only way is putting above this top. But we need to know how about if this one turn to a bigger flat based on forward chart for next drop. Okay, it's really risky. The only time we can confirm we can have entry above this one when we see them move within this range, at least to break this top. By the way, now mostly we will expect that again, if we get a correction, we look for sell. For those traders, they want to sell. Then from there, we look for buy. This is what I prefer if I want to look for buy. Okay, because if the price break this low, at least I expect the price to take this top. Okay, this is the first and the best for me, if I want to look for buy. All right, but if we see any reversal from here, we see whether we can get a short-term trade based on 1 hour or even 15 minutes. That means any trade within this time range we consider as a short-term trade. Okay, by the way, right now we don't have any trade setup and we just follow the chart. We see whether we can get one more drop for next move or not. This is what we are more interested. Anyway, we just follow the chart. If I see any update or trade setup can confirm for the next move, I will share. Thanks.